So this is another one of my favorite places. This is a woodland pool, a vernal pool in the Briar Patch Conservation Area. It's really filled with water. I don't hear anybody. It's only about 42 degrees on this April 15th day, so the spring peepers are pretty quiet. I walked by a vernal pool along Discovery Hill Road, and I saw a frog. A little green frog was awake and in the pool. I see water striders running on the surface. The egg masses of the spotted salamanders in this pool are always way out. The mommies don't put their eggs close to the edge where the water could evaporate and the eggs get caught. I was looking for eggs of the wood frog, but I don't see any. They may be out further or on the other side that I can't get to, because this is the Briar Patch and there's so many briars. Spring peepers go peep, eep, peep, eep, peep, eep. And so people call them spring peepers. And then wood frogs quack. I can hear a cardinal, and there's a robin, trio, tuye, trio, tuye. Another downy woodpecker. That's the state bird of Massachusetts, black-capped chickadee. And there was a cardinal. The cardinal was calling. I still hear his peep, but I don't hear him singing. Mommies and Daddy Cardinals sing. He was going woot, 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 woot before. Dee, 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 dee of the chickadee. Doinky, doinky, doinky. That's the blue jay. He doesn't always scream J, J, J. Vernal pools are amazing. By the middle of the summer, in August, this pool is going to be all dried up. And so those babies, the spring peeper babies, and the wood frog babies, and the spotted salamander babies, they've got to grow up fast and get out into the woods before their gills aren't allowing them to breathe in the water anymore, because there's no water. They have to breathe through their nostrils or through their skin, or both. Vernal pools, awesome places. Hope you get to visit one soon. Spice bush. Just like the forsythia in your yard, spice bush blooms before the leaves come out. I love to look when it's a little warmer out for spice bush swallowtail larvae. They are so cool. Spice bush swallowtails are big black butterflies with either dusty green or dusty blue on their lower wings. This is an avenue of spice bush. The larvae, when they first come out of their egg, they look just like bird poop. Why would you think a caterpillar would want to look like bird poop? That's so. A bird or another predator is not going to pay attention to them, right? I'm not going to eat bird poop. I don't know it's a delicious caterpillar. Spice bush. It smells so good. It has benzoin in it. If you have asthma and you use an inhaler, benzoin is in your inhaler. It also has seeds that are called allspice. People have used them for spices. When the caterpillar gets a little bit older, then it gets more colorful. It's green and it has big eye spots, which makes it look just like a snake. spice bush swallowtail. Mommy knows that this is spice bush. She tastes it and smells it with her antenna, and she puts her eggs on the spice bush. The adults should be emerging. I don't see any chrysalis. I think they overwinter in a chrysalis. Every time I walk down this path in the Briar Patch Conservation Area, I'm always looking for chrysalis in the spring. Very, very cool. Spice bush.